Type 2 diabetes?
Discover the Ozempic Trizone.
Ozempic.
I got the power of 3. I lowered my A1C, CV risk, and lost some weight.
In studies, the majority of people reach.
We interrupt this program. This is a national emergency. This is a national emergency message requested by the White House. At approximately 8:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, an explosion has occurred at Capitol Hill. The explosion is believed to have wiped out the President, the Vice President, the Speaker of the House, members of Congress, and the President's Cabinet. The designated survivor tonight, the Secretary of Housing and Urban Development, has been rushed to the White House. He or any White House representative will be speaking on this matter shortly. In the meantime, we will conclude this national emergency message and will continue with normal programming until the presidential address. The emergency alert system will interrupt for that address. We will now resume normal programming.